How to use social media to spread the word about your launch. A product launch is an excellent way to build massive buzz and excitement around a product, and to encourage many, many more sales as a result. And if you combine that product launch with savvy use of social media, then the results can be really rather amazing. In this presentation, we'll look at exactly how you can do that, and how you can leverage the power of Facebook and Twitter to great effect. Prep and pickup. One tip is to use the strategy called prep and pickup. That is to say that you should prepare all of your marketing materials in advance of going live with your product. You can do this on social media by writing all your posts and status updates and then adding them to Buffer. This will let you schedule your posts to coincide with the stages of your launch, even letting you update your audience with a live countdown. Stream. Don't forget the streaming sites like Periscope or Meerkat, and especially now that Facebook is in on the act too. You can use live video to answer questions and to run small events that will get your audience a buzz. Work with influencers. Studies show that working with social media influencers is actually more lucrative from a marketing standpoint, even than getting an advert on television. That's amazing news for us, as it means we can be just as successful with our internet marketing as big companies are with their own product launches. Find influencers with your niche, approach them, and then get them to help you promote your item. Use images. Instagram is one of the most powerful platforms for building hype about a launch. Why? Because it lets you show actual imagery of your item, or of you working on it. Making your product seem tangible, even if it is a digital product, will make it all the more desirable. Communicate. Don't forget what Facebook and Twitter were originally built for: communication. Let your audience ask questions, and ask them questions. What would they like to see in the product? Would they buy X? Should they name it? The more involved they are, the more they'll want the end product. Run contests. Finally, don't forget to run contests. How about a free copy for anyone who can refer 30 likes or emails? You don't need me to tell you why this is a great strategy.